Hello everyone, this is Lina from Trusas, China. Trusas is a professional manufacturer of gypsum board, PVC gypsum, ceiling tiles, and etc. We have exported to more than 92 countries and regions with our best service and high quality. Today I want to introduce a caustic mineral fiber board to you. Trusas offers more than 30 formats and surface designs for any system. The surface of the ceiling tiles are color-coded and enhanced with every patterns. Excellent like main raw materials without asbestos harmless to the human. If you are interested, we can send free samples to you. If you have any questions and needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.